Hello, it's me, Robin, with Simple Food, Simple Life. I want to show you something real quick. I did a quick clean out of my refrigerator this morning. Now, I didn't scrub down my refrigerator. I didn't clean it out like that. What I have done is I've gone through my refrigerator and I have looked for all of the leftovers, things that were edible. I only actually had to pitch a couple of things that got thrown to the back of the refrigerator. It gets shoved back. That's what happens to us, and then the food gets thrown out. Cut your losses and move on. So here's what I want to show you, just a couple of things. And you may not think these are extraordinary, but you know what? These are helpful, especially if you don't like waste, like I don't like waste, okay? All right, let me show you real quick. In the back of the refrigerator, I found this 3 pieces of garlic bread that are left. Now, in and of themselves, you know what? To warm these up, I'm probably just gonna make them, stick them in the microwave. You know, they get tough and they're not tasty. But all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut these up into squares. I can toast them either in a skillet or I can toast them in the oven real quick. And I will have croutons for my salad or for soup. Isn't that something? See, you don't have to throw these out just because when you reheat them, you don't think they're that great. Just cut them up and use them in croutons. Plus, they're already seasoned. How good is that? Next thing I found in here was half an apple. It's a little brown, but you know what? I'm going to use this morning in my oatmeal. Haven't had breakfast yet. I'm going to cook a bowl of oatmeal. I'm going to make my apple cinnamon oatmeal like I do, and it's going to be awesome. They're still good, but they're a little brown. We don't care about that. We're going to chop them up because I'm going to cook them anyway. All right, now here's something. Had tacos last week, and this is what's left on the taco scene. The meat is all gone, but there is some refried beans left here. So I thought, okay, here's what I'm going to do. I have 1 large tortilla left. So I'm going to take this tortilla, I'm going to spread it with the beans, I'm going to put cheese on there and probably some jalapenos. I'm going to roll it, wrap it up in some wax paper, a beef and cheese burrito wrap, whatever you want to call it. I won't eat it right away, but I'm going to wrap it up, put it in my freezer, and probably pop it back in this bag. And then later on in the week, I can warm it up in the microwave. It'll be awesome. And there you go. This won't go to waste. This won't go to waste and get all dried out and gross. And we'll be good to go. Now then, what I have here. I had last week, I made some fried rice. So this is some chicken fried rice. It's what I had left. So I'm going to bring that forward in the refrigerator so I can be sure and see it. This can be a meal for me and then some. And if you've never seen how I make my fried rice patties, I'll try to remember to put that link down below. And you can see how I do that using leftover fried rice. They are awesome. They're really, really good. And then there's a really good sauce I make with that too. So it can be used for that. But I'm going to move this forward and eat that up. And also with that same meal, I had some Oriental green beans. And that's what's left here. And these are spicy green beans. They're delicious. So I'm going to make sure that these are together, boom, so that I know to eat them together. Here is some oranges that got sliced. They didn't completely get eaten. So I'm going to bring these forward in the refrigerator when I want a little snack today. I'm going to grab these and I'll probably have some with my breakfast and I'll probably have some with my lunch. That way I can make sure these get eaten up so they're not wasted. Okay, here's another thing. You like how I said that? Wasted. Okay, here's this. What is in here? Woohoo! This is macaroni salad. Okay. Now, I had a great big bowl of macaroni salad because, you know, I had other people eating it too. So this is all that's left. So I transferred it from my big dish into the small dish. And I'm going to pull that forward, make sure that it gets eaten. Actually, that's going to get eaten tonight with hot dogs and baked beans and ta-da, pasta salad. I had a big bowl of pasta salad also. If you don't know how the quick way I make pasta salad, I'll put that link below too so you can see because it's pretty awesome. And so inexpensive, you're going to love it. You get a big bang for your buck with this pasta salad. And So I'm pulling that forward, and I'm going to eat that with the hot dogs and baked beans. It's like summertime. Summertime and the living is out. You know how that goes. All right, now then, here's the deal. I squeezed a bunch of lemon juice, and I didn't need it all, so I stuck it in the jar. And you know, this gets shoved, things get shoved to the back. So I'm going to use part of this in my water today, my sipping water. And so I can get a little vitamin C in there and get some scrumptious lemon water going. I love lemon water on ice. I think it's just fantastic. So I can do that, and I've already got the lemon juice in there. Happy, happy, happy. Now then, here's the deal. Here's what I do. When I do this and I pull the food forward, this is what I do. Now, come on now, don't judge me, because I'm telling you, this is the way the food gets eaten up. I take labels, and I don't really care. I think these labels were originally intended for baby food, when you make your homemade baby food. But I just take labels, and well, these are upside down. I take labels, and I write on the label what is in this container of the leftovers that I want to make sure gets eaten. And so I will put them on there. I pull them forward. I don't put a date on them, because most of the time they'll get eaten up pretty quickly. And I just put them in whatever container, and then I'll just take one of the labels and I just put it on the front. I write on it first, put it on the front. And here's another cheap way to do that. This is just from the Dollar Tree. I've had these for a year. So, and I just write on it what it is. You can put a date on it if you want to. Put it on there. And chances are, you know what begins happening? If you have people at your house, or when your kids drop over, when your adult children come in, or you have somebody staying with you, or for whatever reason, or people in your family, or, you got little ones, they will see this. They will see the labels. They will see what's in it. Because you know what? They open the fridge. They stand there. They look. They gaze into the refrigerator like they're, waiting for something to wave at them from the back. And because I'm hungry. Well, guess what? When they have a label, they can go, I think I'm going to eat the rest of this fried rice. I think I'm going to eat this macaroni salad. And they do it, and I swear to you, they will eat it, because you know why? They know, number one, they know what it is. Number two, they don't have to pull out the container and open it up and look at it and sniff it, and they don't have to do any of that, because they know that that is meant to be eaten. So that's my recommendation for today. I hope you give it a try, and it's just, because like I'm revealing to you what my clean out looked like this morning. I feel awesome. So I'm going to get busy. I'm going to make the wrap. I'm going to cut up my little croutons here, and I'm going to put labels on everything and get my lemon water going. And you know what? I'm going to be good. I'm good to go. I'm going to move on to something else. I'm going to eat my breakfast. I'm going to get some things done in my day. All right, listen, I love you guys. If I can do it, you can do it. And you just remember that little is much when God is in it. Okay, love you. Bye. Thank you for watching Simple Food, Simple Life. Please like, subscribe, and share, because other people need to know this stuff too, And while you're at it, check us out on Facebook. The link is in the description box below. See you later.